If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out.
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Guys, this is day 4 of my 31 day of eyeshadow looks with 31 different eyeshadow palettes. And guys, today I'm using the Urban Decay Elements palette. And I already did a swatch video. If you want to see that, you can go check it out. But guys, I want to go bold or go home. So that's what we did today. And I was inspired by Colorful Camille. I will leave her channel in the description bar. But if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. All right, y'all, we used the Urban Decay Element palette. And I'm going to do a review over this palette because I've already done the eyelid swatches. So if you want to see the eyelid swatches, you can go check that out on my channel. But I told you guys I was going to come back and give you a review. So here's your review. First of all, this palette is going to run you about $52. And the palette was inspired by air, earth, fire, and water. So those were the elements that it was inspired by. You get 19 shades in this palette. And you got like metallic shades, shimmer shades, matte shades, and stuff like that. Now the shades that I actually used for this eye look were Antidote, Firestarter, Dreamweaver, Heavy Waters, Hex Remedy, and Luna. Those are the colors that I used for this bold look that I'm going to create. Now, as far as the packaging goes with this, y'all, this packaging is stunning. This is the type of packaging that you could put on your vanity just to dress it up and make it look pretty. And the mirror is really nice. It's a great mirror. I mean, it's a beautiful mirror. I mean, your whole face could fit in this mirror. And it has a little button on the end so where you can actually like pop it open, which is such a, all palettes should have these because a lot of times y'all know how hard it is to get into a freaking palette. But anyway, as far as the colors and stuff, and you had your shimmers were really nice when they were wet. The greens in this palette though, y'all, I had a few problems with the greens for some reason. I don't know, because originally I was gonna do a green look, but once I started trying to play with the greens, they wasn't doing what I needed them to do. And then I look at the palette and I do see several looks that you can actually achieve with this palette, because you do have quite a few mattes, but I mean, I do see quite a few looks. I'm gonna give it, it's quite a few looks. What I'm gonna say is this palette is not the leading lady in the Urban Decay series. She's more like the supporting actress. You know, the leading lady right now for me is the was it Born to Run palette. It's the leading lady. But other than that, I feel like if I could recommend this palette to you guys, I feel like it all depends on your preference, really. If you like bold looks, which I feel like you can get a lot of bold looks out of this palette. It's not a neutral girl palette. I mean, it's some neutral colors you can, you can get in here, but it's more bold colors to me. So if you're a bold color type of girl, I say yes, pick it up because the formula is great. Although there's fallout and there is definitely that dustiness of it all with your mattes, but just do your eye before you do your foundation. But if you really like bold looks, I say yeah, pick it up. If not, I would pass on it. It's not something you got to run out to the store and pick up. If you had to choose between this palette and the Born to Run palette, the Born to Run all day every day would be my choice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. I wanted to give it to you and let you guys know how I felt about this palette. I do like the palette. I'm glad I have it in my collection, but you don't have to run out and pick it up. Now I do want to say, y'all, congratulations, Pam. Pam hit 1K, y'all. Thank you guys for helping her get there. I'm so excited for her and continue to watch her videos. And then I'm also leave Colorful Camille's information. She's my shout out for today. I'm gonna leave her information in the description bar. You guys, when I tell you this girl does some beautiful eyeshadow looks, she does some beautiful eyeshadow looks, and she has an array of palettes. So she goes from drugstore, indie brands, high end. She has just about everything, and she does beautiful, beautiful look. So make sure you go check her out. And a little known fact about your girl is that when I'm in the house by myself, I keep it pitch black, as dark as possible. Is there anybody else that do that? And people be like, why you keep your house so dark? Why you keep your house so dark when you're by yourself? I feel like this. My house could be dark. I can get up. I can walk around. I'm not going to run into nothing because I know my house. But if a stranger comes into my home, they don't know my house. So when they come in and it's dark, they're going to bump into something. They're going to hit something, which is going to give me opportunity to know it's somebody here that ain't got no business being here. So that's a little known fact about me. Now, y'all, I am going in with the Urban Decay primer. You know I'm not no falsy girl, right? This primer, oh my God, y'all. And then I went into with the Perversion mascara. You're gonna see this primer makes me look like I have on lashes. Tell me what y'all think. Cause I'm not a big lash girl, cause I'm on a struggle bus. Y'all know I'm on a struggle bus. But I wanted to show you guys this, that it really, look, you see that? But y'all, this is the final look coming up. I'm gonna put my hair on. I hope y'all enjoy it. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so you saw how I got this look. Guys, this is so much fun. If you have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, I encourage you to do this because it's just so much fun. Now, I will leave Colorful Camille's information in the description bar. Make sure you go check her out because if you like bold, bright, vibrant eyeshadow looks, that's your girl. But guys, that's it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And share the video if you want to share. Let people know what I'm doing. And to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea,